Two obviously conflicting statements if you look at them. And just to be clear, no amount of training session can induce a person into something completely different. Psychologically speaking, even if you make the teachers learn a few things, then there will surely come moments where those four won't help them, and that would cause them to hark back their traditional way. Moreover, if you try to force the teachers not to, it would cause an immense mental pressure over the teacher. We can, however, have the do's and don'ts for immediate but gradual complete implication of the NEP. No favoritism should be practiced. Critical thinking or creative thinking should not be reduced to a mere subject, which would consist of couple of questions, deliberate efforts to get good marks, and exercises like fill in the blanks. As to critical thinking and holistic approach in education must be in the sense of a joyful choice, not an extruder out of which you need to come out of a certain shape. Real life problem solving skills must be a subject where one may ask a 7-year-old about the problems in the life of an 8-year-old. Problems ranging from societal problems to all the way up to abusive parenting. Forced positivity should not be a thing, and there should be a clear distinction between just relief and real solutions to the problems. Answers to critical thinking must not be evaluated, as no answer is the right answer nor the wrong, as critical thinking by this will be achieved by everyone at their level, and you cannot quantify anyone's thinking ability as everyone has a different perspective through critical thinking. The exercise will allow children to greatly open their creativity to the fullest, as there would be no competitive drive to facilitate giving an appeasing answer to the teacher, as it won't be quantified by any means. A reference to forced positivity which everyone seeks in different ratios. As far as promotion of Indian languages and arts is considered, it is indeed great, and I'll also go as far as to say that criticism it received was vague, as when the problem would be in front, will come to a mid-ground state, and it would also remove the stigma, the psychological stigma of no English equals to no good for everyone.